Hello, today's well, this is more of a collector type of video, so if you're a plush tuber, I don't recommend you watch this since this is probably boring. Now, right here, I have some, Hunter table fan for like the 1930s and 40s. So, yes, it's very heavy too. Yeah, I've seen a video of one of these, but without the original cord, and has a different blade, and the cage is missing. But this is still in good condition. Also, the head is adjustable. Yeah, you're able to loosen it and adjust it. Well, the cage is kind of loosened, but it's still being held on by a couple of bolts that I constantly have to retighten and get rust on my finger. Yeah. Unfortunately, this cannot oscillate. The oscillation feature is broken. I did once insert some lubrication. It doesn't look like there's anything wrong. If I look here, it looks like it's still intact. Well, some black. So when I lift up this top piece, yeah, there's a lot of grime in there. Yeah, well, it's not in the best condition, but it's kind of rusty, but it still works well. Yeah. So, it even still has the original cord. Now, I'm not sure. This feels like a hardened cloth wire that's still covered up completely and had not rotted. Well, this area is kind of going bad, but there's only a brighter cloth underneath it, kind of, and then there's the copper wire underneath it. These types of wires are not exactly the safest whenever they rot, but I was lucky. I remember getting this. If you want to know where I got this from an antique store. If I remember correctly, this was around $80. Quite good detail, quite good deal. Sorry for my mispronunciation. Yeah, it even has the original plug. I'm not sure if it's good. Like, one of the pins are gray and shiny, while the others looks like copper rust, kind of rusted copper. This still looks like it's in good condition. Surprised there's not as much rust. I also at one point saw a video of one of these burning out. Well, not exactly like when smoke came out of one of these. So, but this doesn't have any issues. Oh hey. I'm gonna wait until Charlie goes away. Hey Charlie. Alright. Normally the cat knows to stay away from this when it's on. So let me just personally see it if it's in the off position so it doesn't give a big surprise. Alright, let's start it up on high. Yep, it works well. And it blows out a ton of wind. Hold on. Oh, well, yeah. There's medium. And here's low. Also, do not stick your fingers in these. Yeah, here it is compared to my hand. It's really big. You would normally think this is industrial, but it's not industrial, since it still runs on 110 or 120 volt. The motor has a nice humming sound to it. Let me put the camera mic up close. And here's the spin down time. My camera's almost out of memory, so I'm gonna make this quick. Here's how much wind it blows on high. I usually think people kind of do like show the listen to the startup sound. Here's the high. Right, here's the startup sound for medium. I'll have to start over. Now here's a medium. Now here's low. Yeah, this might need a little bit of lubrication, but I don't exactly know how to oil it since the motor is so concealed, especially the windings, but I'm sure there's nothing wrong with it. Please pardon my brother in the background. He's on the computer, but yeah. So this might need some lubrication. I don't know how to lubricate it. If you have one of these and know how to lubricate it, please tell me. And also for proof that the oscillation doesn't work. Oh, it's already tightened in. Here's me untightening it. And tighten it in. It used to work. The oscillation used to work when I got it first. Like it used to kind of move and then stop. The motor has a nice humming sound that's calming. But yeah, if you have one of these are okay. I'll not recommend use these around children since how big you could easily stick your fingers in there. Now you get the ruler, see how tall it is. It's around 23 inches. I'm probably not doing it correctly because I'm curled up. While it seems like the base itself is 16 inches, while the fan with the cage is around 24 inches. Yeah. Measuring tape. Let's get this away. Just before I forget, I will show you the model number of this. I don't know what year this was made because it doesn't mention. Oh, 60 seconds. It runs on 0.55 amps, but it said I don't have actual evidence since I don't have any. Let's see. It's model number 262, type CG-16, and it's it's a Series B. My camera doesn't have the option to focus at all like most of you cameras, but this thing got covered in dust also from just seeing my bedroom. Alright. I'm not sure if if it's just me, but do you kind of notice part of the cage is bented? And I'm not sure why the last owner put a tape on there. Doesn't look like any cracks. But bye. There will be more videos soon. Bye bye.